The Mission Lane credit card shows up as a practical tool for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit, especially if their current credit score sits anywhere from bad to good. There isn't any fuss at the start. Applying won't even impact your personal credit score, which is a major relief if you're nervous about dings from hard inquiries. The card itself offers several versions, like the silver line for better credit, the green line for fair to good credit, and a secured option for those really just starting out. The starting credit line generally sits between $300 and $3,000, so it's a step above the absolute minimum found with other entry-level credit cards, though not high enough to let you shop freely without worrying about going over a healthy credit utilization ratio. There's unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases for the silver line, no security deposit for the green line, and a refundable deposit for the secured option. For a credit builder card, this is a pretty rare and welcome benefit that can make everyday spending feel a little more rewarding. Another big plus is the lack of annual or maintenance fees on many Mission Lane cards, which is a breath of fresh air when you compare it to other credit cards tailored for not so great credit. Accounts are regularly reviewed for credit limit increases, which can help you keep your credit utilization in check and also boost your score over time if you maintain responsible use. Of course, it's not all perfect. One of the major risks is the high APR, which can be anywhere from 19.99% up to a whopping 33.99% depending on your credit situation. This sky-high rate means that carrying a balance month to month will rack up interest quickly, putting you at real risk of paying a lot more if you're not diligent about full monthly payments. While some versions of the card come with no annual fee, others can cost as much as $59 per year. That's not outrageous, but there are other secured cards out there without annual fees and with deposits that you actually get back. The minimum credit line being $300 is better than the typical $200 starter limit, but for anyone looking to use the card consistently or improve their utilization ratio, $300 can feel a little tight. Plus, while Mission Lane does review accounts for limit increases, you can't manually request a credit bump if you feel like you're making responsible progress. You have to wait for one to be offered. In summary, the Mission Lane credit card is a solid choice for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit, especially if they want fast access, straightforward cashback rewards, and the possibility of higher credit limits over time. It's also far more accessible for those with bad to fair credit scores and doesn't punish you right away with a hit to your credit report for just applying. Still, the card's high APR is a real danger zone for anyone likely to carry a balance. And the modest starting limit might frustrate users looking to make bigger purchases or keep their credit utilization low. Being realistic about these risks, especially those steep interest charges, is key to making the card work for you instead of against you.